Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to place a bet on Melbet. The procedure will be very simple to do. Before continuing the video, I'll invite you to create a Melbet professional account where you come and click on registration, then come and click on by email, which will be the full inscription. Now you will come right up to your promo code where you will enter the promo code BOTV, which will help you to get 300% of bonus at your first deposit. Meaning if you put an amount of $10, you will obtain $30. Continue the video. First, you are going to select a match which you want to place your bet. For example, if I should come at the level of Premier League or top 3 match, I can select this match for example. Now, before the match starts, I will select the option that I want to place my bet on. If I should take, for example, the option of X, because you will see a lot of options, I should take the option of X, which means the draw game. I will click on it normally. Then I will click on add to bet slip. Then before clicking on add to bet slip, or even without clicking on it, you can put your amount of money here that you will bet. Now you will click on bet here, and now you will see that at the level of history, the match that you have bet and confirmed will appear just here. So the bet will be put in place here, and it is as simple as that.